You said you end up giving the course away for free. I wouldn't just give it away for free though. What I would probably do is I'd probably bonus it. I would probably say, hey, I would either say, here's my lead magnet, so I'm giving it away for free in exchange for a lead, but I would probably bonus it. If it's a good course, I would basically say, here's this entire course. I'm giving it as a free bonus for anybody that joins this club. I will build a course to give away free 50-50. I get it. Bring something to the table. Dan, we used SendGrid at work and it managed thousands of emails daily. Yeah, SendGrid is what I used. Thank you, Chris. Training is very interesting. Thank you for my answer to my pruning question. Okay. Dan says, yeah, it took a year to make $500. For Udemy, you have to have the person opt into a separate page. It's too much work on Udemy. So if anybody ever wants to consider creating courses in Udemy, you really just need to become an instructor. You're a teacher. You're an online teacher, and you need to create several courses. Okay, so the question is, where do we go from here? I'm willing to spend a little bit of extra time. Do you guys want me to stay on topic? Do you guys like this topic? Do you want the whole session to be about email marketing and list building? You want me to keep going with it? Of course, we could always end, but some of you will say to end, but I also have some time if you guys want to continue. I've reached the end of the questions. Where do we find the Google Drive content? It's in the, it's at the top of the March replays, the February replays, stuff like that. It's in the Atlas Academy. I